AI-powered logo creation. What's up guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your logo using artificial intelligence. Do you like these kinds of videos? We have other related videos on our channel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I'll keep uploading tips to help you out. So here guys, I'm going to use two websites to create the logo. The first website is ChatGPT, where we'll create a prompt, a text to help AI create your logo. And for the second website, you can use Microsoft Designer to create the logo. There's another choice. If you don't like Microsoft Designer logos, you can use Microsoft Bing. So first we're going to use this. I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for a pharmacy logo. So it's already created the whole prompt here. He suggests using soft, comforting colors, which in this case is for a pharmacy. So basically I copy this text, this prompt that it generated, Control-C copy, and I throw it into Microsoft Designer. I'm going to go over here in Microsoft Designer and click on the first option, Image Creator. I click Generate, right-click Paste, and I paste here this prompt that ChatGPT created. Now just click on Generate, and here's the logo creation. So I didn't like it. That's why I'm going to suggest, guys, Microsoft Bing. Microsoft Bing also generates great images. So if you don't like the images made in Microsoft Designer, you can use Microsoft Bing. So you're going to go into Microsoft Bing, right-click, paste. You're going to click on Creation, and it's going to create your logo. I'm going to create another logo here. Guys, I create a prompt for creation. It's a basketball team. Name Paiva. Let's go then. The prompt is already here. It's creating. I select all the text. Right-click copy. Read the Microsoft Designer website. So you're going to type Microsoft Designer into Google and click on the first link that shows up. Right-click paste. Generate image down here. Generate image. You can do the same thing on Microsoft Bing. On Bing, you'll type in this address, bing.com image create. So this is the address, bing.com image create. So you can do the same thing, right click paste, click on create, and wait for your logo to be ready. Microsoft Bing has already created my logo. It created 4 photos. So just click on the photo you want. Here it is. Look how cool it is. I think I like this one better. Just right click and click Save Image As. Choose where you want to save the image and click Save. Microsoft Designer has already created it. And look how cool it turned out too. I think I liked that one too, so it's really cool. Just click here to download and click Save. Which one did you like best? The image created by Microsoft Designer or by Microsoft Bing? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. I'm going to leave it here. Big hug, stay with God, thanks.